Hello, everyone. My name is Bella. Today, I will tell you about my hobbies and free time. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. In my free time, I like to relax at home. I usually start by listening to music. I like pop music and sometimes classical music. I play my favorite songs on my phone. Music helps me feel happy and calm. Sometimes I like to read a book. I enjoy stories about adventure and friendship. I read slowly and think about the story. Reading helps me learn new words in English. I also like to draw. I use pencils, pens, and colors. I draw flowers, animals, or my favorite characters. Drawing makes me feel creative and relaxed. Sometimes I play games on my phone or computer. I like puzzle games and adventure games. I play for a short time, not too long. Games are fun, and they help me relax after a busy day. I also enjoy going outside. I walk in the park or ride my bicycle. I watch people, trees, and birds. The fresh air makes me feel happy. Sometimes I meet my friends. We talk, play games, or have a snack together. Spending time with friends is very fun. It makes me laugh and feel good. In the evening, I sometimes watch TV or a short video. I like to learn new things or watch funny clips. Watching TV is relaxing and helps me rest. Sometimes I try new hobbies. I like to cook, bake, or try drawing something new. I enjoy learning and trying new things. That is my hobbies and free time. What about you? What do you like to do in your free time? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.